Hello ladies and gents. Thought I'd give you a little update. I dug out the black cab. I actually parked this car up with 11 months MOT. That little Robin's still, well, I think it's a new Robin. Yeah, not going to scrap this car, but every panel is a mess. It's not rotten. One back chassis was certainly rotten. It was this side that was rotten, so I welded all that up. Okay guys, this is the back chassis where the patch is going. Maybe 15 inches. Yeah, shouldn't be too bad. Should be quite straightforward job. There's the chassis patch in place. Now, unfortunately, I had to extend it. So the patch ended there, but the rot hole obviously was there as well. So I did have to extend it, but it's solid enough. Yeah, so obviously I've primed it, I've stone chipped it, and I've tiger sealed it. Let's have a look underneath. So yeah, that'll do. I've started doing little bits of bodywork on it. It has been crashed. I crashed it around 2011. And I just bolted a wing onto it, so I might weld that wing back on as well while it's in this state. It's not the original engine. The engine that is in it now I put in out of a 1800 SI. Mad Max it! No, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Front bumper's good. Just marks on every panel. It is ash black. Oh. The water that came out of that sill is a bit worrying. Just poured out for about 3 minutes. Ladies and gents, this is why Fords rust. It's been coming out for ages. Just taking the side skirt off. Where's it all coming from? So there might be some rust there. Generally it's quite good. But what the plan is, I don't know. I don't know. I've just been pottering with it really. I did hit a trailer hitch with the back bumper. I haven't replaced the bumper, I've just repaired it. It's not going to be perfect, but I don't want the car to be perfect. Be a nice car for the dog. Yeah, doors are a right mess. Like I said, every panel has a mark, or scratch, or dent. Interior is awful. Just peeled away. The material just peeled away. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm not going to scrap it. I've got too many good memories of this car, festivals and things like that. don't know. Certainly going to get it in primer. Let me know what you do with it. I don't think it's going to be black anymore, guys. So yeah, just a little update. Oh, radiator leak as well. Needs a new radiator. It's easy enough. What would you do with it if you had it? Keep it original? No point. It's not the original engine. It's been crashed. And it's a bit of a state. Automatic closing boot as well. Yeah. I don't know. Watch this space is all I'm going to say. It's a lucky car, that's one thing I know. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I don't know if there'll be an update in between then and now. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Watch this space.